select loadout, Alpha Bravo. Now we're gonna go into deploy. Okay, so now I'm oops. Whoa. Okay, and I need to look for the red. Let me see. Okay, so hey. Oh, come on, man. Oh man, that Russian just got me out of the blue. Oh, come on, man. Okay, yeah, damn it, that was fast. Let me see. Oh man, that noise kind of annoying. So I'm gonna move with W. Let me see. So now I am running with W. Oh man, he got me again. Man, those Russians are nasty. Okay, nah, damn it. Yeah, okay, whoa. Hey. What the hell? You know what? I'm gonna move like that. Okay, so okay, I see. Man, man, those Russians are crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to comment as long as I'm playing. Man, they just got me real quick. So I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so the blue are my team, so I'm not gonna shoot them. Obviously, I have to look for the red ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna chill out here, maybe for a while until someone finds me. Okay, so don't shoot me, man. I'm in your team. So now I am using the WASP functionality. So I'm trying to explain. This is the WASP functionality. I'm moving with the W right now. Now I'm moving 360 degrees with my finger. But yeah, you do the killing, man. I'm just a narrator. So I'm trying. Okay, hey, chill out. Okay, so when okay, bien, I got you, man. Man, I killed the Russian. Hey, man, just in case, one more. And now I'm gonna run to her, and I was with E. Come on, pick up their gun. Okay, I picked their gun. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm an opportunist. So let me see. I'm just gonna chill out. Let me see. I'm just gonna wait for the enemy. So let me see. As you can see in the upper left corner, there is a circle, and all the blue, I don't know, kind of like a triangles are my friends, or yeah, my team. So I need to look for the red one. So they are the ones my enemies. So he's my teammate, and I'm gonna kill him. So let me see. The red one is there below. So I'm just trying to chill out here while I narrate how to play this game. So again, once we kill the Russians, we pick up their gun with the okay. Pravie, man, Pravie. I don't know, man, this game is crazy. I'm just trying to build the game, but trying to play in it, yeah, is something different. It's more difficult. So man, these dudes are crazy. And let me see right now if I press what it was. If I use my two fingers in my pad in my laptop, I can change I can change from from my rifle. Oh, hey. Come on, man. Oh man, they got me there. So I move my finger to I start shooting towards the ceiling. So I wanted to throw some grenades, but man, they got me real good, those guys. Damn, those Russians. Hey, chill out, man. Now I'm angry. Where are those guys? Okay. Oh no. Hey, no. Yeah, run. Oh man, they got me again. Man, that stuff is crazy. But let's narrate a little bit. So we have in the select loadout, so we have three teams: the Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. We're using assault rifles. We have a shot, just a pistol and grenade. So that's what we have. If you click exit, you can get out here. I'm gonna go deploy again. So okay, so now okay, these are my team. Hey, chill out, man. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Okay, the Russians are way here. No, no, no. Hey, come. Oh man, this is just nasty. Oh man, man, this dude just killed me with a shot. I mean, what the hell he's using? A Glock? Nah, I don't think so. Let me see. I'm just gonna run. Okay. No, no! Damn it! No, no, I thought. Oh man. Hey, don't kill me, bro. Damn, man, this stuff is crazy. Hey, who the hell is this? He just got me out of nowhere, man. Yeah, man, this stuff is crazy. Okay, so what else do we have here? So we have the P. Okay, so let's again deploy. So we have still. They're everywhere, so I'm just gonna chill out here, maybe right here, and just wait for these dudes to appear. So that's what I'm. Oh, one dude is coming right after me. Oh, hey, chill out, please. No, no, my friends. Okay. May I throw a grenade with G? Where is this Russian crazy? Oh man, I need to. Okay, I got you. Okay, oh man, he got me? Oh come on, man, this dude. Man, these Russians are nuts, man. Man, we need something else, man. These dudes are boring us. We need some strategy here, man. Man, some blitzkrieg or something, man. These dudes are gonna. Man, they kill me like, I don't know. 40 times. Hey, chill out. Relax, man. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go. What the hell? What the hell is this guy? Hey, they kill me again. So again, this game is pretty much built with HTML5 and using Unity. Let me see if I can escape here. Yeah, I can escape. So let's go into. What it was right here. Hey man, chill out. Okay, so we still have. Okay, so the Bullet Force is an amazing multiplayer FPS game with great 3D graphics. Create. Hey man, this is crazy. There's too much noise. But now, for example, since I'm playing this game, I'm gonna go into my armory crate, and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go into my home. And instead of using, I think it was window I'm using, I'm gonna put it on turbo. Okay, it's performance, so I'm gonna go turbo this time. Okay, so I'm gonna go in turbo. Close that one. Let me see what else do we have. Okay, so the Bullet Force is an amazing multiplayer FPS game with great 3D graphics. Create room with a maximum number of players, public or private, or join one to start shooting. Purchase weapons and extensions such as the deadly machine guns and RPGs, not to mention the awesome ability that can only be used after you get kill streaks. Go show your skills and become the Bullet Force champion. Okay, so we have all this information about. Okay, this he is the author of this game. Let me see what else do we have here. So let's continue to play the game. Okay, yeah, let's continue. Hey, chill out. Okay, I already was. Okay, they kicked me out. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here. Yeah, deploy. Okay, they send me somewhere else. So oh man, we are no longer in the. I'm gonna press the key letter W in shift, so I'm gonna start running. And okay, so there's nobody here, so there's no Russians. Okay, so US and Russians. Yeah, there's always the eternal fight between the West and the East. Not getting political here. This is just a game, man. This is just for educational purposes. We're just chilling out. We're just trying to build some games. This is just virtual. There's nothing real going on. Okay, so let me see. If I press F, no, Control F. Oops, no, it was not that. Okay, there's nobody here, so yeah, I'm just chilling all by myself here. That's cool, but yeah, maybe I can move here. I'm moving with the wasp functionality, so I'm pressing W, I'm moving forward. I'm pressing S, so I'm moving backwards. I'm pressing A, the letter A, so I'm moving towards my left. Oh yeah, this is cool, so I can explain. I'm moving, and I'm pressing D, so I'm moving towards my right. And now I'm pretty much touching the pad on my laptop, so that's the reason I'm moving 360. So this is with my finger with the cursor. I can move in this direction, I can move in that direction, and once I click it, I'm gonna start shooting, but I don't wanna pretty much waste my bullets because I only have 30 out of 120. If I let me see what is, if I'm gonna change. Okay, now I'm changing. Okay, so I'm using my two fingers and my pad, and I'm just moving, I'm just scrolling up, and this is the, I'm changing from my assault rifle to a pistol. Now I'm changing. Okay, so now I change it again to my assault rifle, and let me see how many rounds I have in my pistol. So I have 11 rounds. So if I press G, I'm gonna throw a grenade. So yeah, I'm pretty much alone in this game. That's cool to this point. So I'm running, so I'm pressing W and running. Let me see. Now I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna start running again. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, there's nobody here. Yeah, but that's kind of cool. So since there's nobody, nobody's gonna start killing me. Well, okay, yeah, that's a little bit difficult to start playing and explaining the game at the same time. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty much they build it with Unity. Let me see if I can escape and show you. So this is Unity manual. We're gonna be using the 20 yeah, the 2022 2022.3, because you also have the version, the more you have the 2023.3, but that is the alpha, I think. That is that is the alpha one. So if you click in Unity documentation, it's gonna set you straight to the 2022.3. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna, okay, let's keep playing this game. So okay, let me see. Okay, so I wanna move this one. Okay, alright, okay, yeah, we'll zoom this game. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's similar to Call of Duty. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna press W and shift. I'm gonna start running really fast. I can move with my fingers. So let's say somebody's in the car, so I have the sniper rifle. I can start shooting. Okay, so I'm shooting with my rifle. Let's say I wanna change, I will shoot with my pistol. Okay, and I'm wasting those rounds, so that is the reason I didn't wanna do it. But since I'm alone in this game right now, that's cool, so I can explain it. And let me see. Let's keep moving. Let's keep, okay, W and shift so I can run. W and shift I can run. Let me see what else. Okay, if I press T, you can write something. I don't know. Take cover. I don't know. Something like that. You can type, or pin hand down, or whatever. I don't know. What else? Let me see. Okay, so W. Let's continue. Oops. It was T. No. Shift. Okay, so let me see. Oh man, start. Okay, so the match is gonna start right now. Okay, so now the fun is gonna start. Oh man, I wasted some rounds. Okay, let's see what can we do right now. The match is starting in 6 seconds, so there's nobody here. Okay, so yeah, there's nobody. Oops, yeah, that's cool. let me find out. Okay, as you can see in my right, in my left upper corner, there's a circle, and I saw a red circle. So I am the blue triangle. I saw a red circle. That means there's an enemy combatant. Okay, let me see. Yeah, man, he's gonna be here somewhere. So even though there appears like there's zero, but yeah, they can appear out of nowhere. Now I'm gonna press D. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, there's nobody here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, D and running. Let me see. I'm pressing the keyboard, the letter key and shift. Okay, so as you can see, there is a red point somewhere. Let me see. I'm just trying to chill out here. And if you can, I'm moving right now with my finger, so you can move upwards. And let me see, you have the sniper here, you can shoot. Let me see. Yeah, that is it. So let's get out of this game. And okay, so let's see, there's some, yeah, I can see some red ones. So man, damn it. Okay, so man, I'm gonna start looking for them. Okay, so okay, so another thing is if you whoa, hey, chill out. Oh man, I knew he was in my team. So another thing is if you press the well, if you press the space bar, you can jump, but it's not enough. So let me see if I do this. Oh, chill out, Russian. Okay, so I cannot run and jump. So okay, I can see the Russian is gonna be. Ah man, I need to start looking for those dudes. I don't know where they are. I'm just, man, this stuff is crazy. Okay, let me see. Oh man, come on, die, man. Oh man, I think I took him down. Yeah, that Russian took me out, but I was able to throw my grenade. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty cool game.